In this video, I'll show you how to install FilmPlus Player on your Android TV. This is easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to install FilmPlus Player to your Android TV, this is what you can do. In this situation, we're going to be using this application called Downloader. If you don't have Downloader on your Android TV, then you are missing a lot. This is a very important application you should have on your Android TV. So check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to guide you on how to get Downloader on your Android TV. So once you get Downloader on Android TV, just launch it. This is how it looks like. So Downloader is an application that helps you download or install any applications to your Android TV. So you just have to launch it, and this is how it looks like. And in that search box there, you're just going to go ahead and type in the keyword for what you're looking for. So in this case, we're looking for Film Plus Player or Film Plus Video Player. And once you type in the keyword, they just go ahead and click on Go. As you click on Go, Downloader is going to show you the various options on the internet where you can install Film Plus to your Android TV. So you can scroll through them. It's an option, it's another option. You can scroll through any of them. So there are many options. So just go ahead and choose the options that you want. For instance, if you go ahead with this one, or we come over to this one, the one below, you are going to see the install button. So if the application is available in your device area, you can just come over here and click on install, and the application is going to be installed to your Android TV. It's a very easy process. And subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.